Hey guys! Today we are going to learn some modern English sayings that you will often hear native speakers use in daily conversations, in movies, and online. These sayings are not always taught in textbooks, but they're very important if you want to sound natural in English. I'll give you each saying, explain what it means, and show you example sentences. Let's begin. Break the ice. Break the ice means to start a conversation in a comfortable way. Examples. The teacher told a funny joke to break the ice with the new students. He asked her about her favorite music to break the ice on their first date. Crash course. Crash course means a quick and intense way of learning something. Examples. She took a crash course in driving before her test. He gave me a crash course on how to use the new software. If you're enjoying this video, give it a big thumbs up. Throw someone under the bus. Throw someone under the bus means to betray someone for your own benefit. Examples. He threw his coworker under the bus to impress the manager. She felt betrayed when her friend threw her under the bus. Piece of cake. Piece of cake means something that is very easy to do. Don't worry. Fixing this computer will be a piece of cake. The exam was a piece of cake compared to what I expected. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Binge watch. Binge watch means to watch many episodes of a TV show in one sitting. We binge watched 3 seasons of that series over the weekend. I couldn't stop myself from binge watching the new drama. Throw in the towel. Throw in the towel means to give up. After hours of trying to fix the car, He finally threw in the towel. She didn't want to throw in the towel even when it got hard. Word on the street. Word on the street means the popular rumor or gossip people are talking about. The word on the street is that the band is releasing a new album. Word on the street says they're opening a new cafe downtown. Pull an all-nighter. Pull an all-nighter means to stay awake all night working or studying. She had to pull an all-nighter to finish her assignment. We pulled an all-nighter before the big presentation. Game changer. Game changer means something that completely changes the situation. Smartphones were a game changer in the way we communicate. That new app is a real game changer for students. On the same page. On the same page means to have the same understanding or agreement. Let's meet tomorrow to make sure we're on the same page. The team needs to be on the same page before the presentation. If you like the way I teach English, check this out. If you like the way I teach English, check out my Patreon. There are videos, audios, and many tools for you to learn English with me. I have a phrasal verb generator and much more. I have also included podcasts with short stories and ebooks for you to learn more English with me. So join my Patreon now at patreon.com/blabbinit. Hangry. Hangry means a mix of hungry and angry. Don't talk to me before lunch. I'm always hangry. He gets hangry if dinner is late. Down to earth. Down to earth means to be practical, realistic, and humble. Despite being famous, she's very down to earth. I like my teacher because he's so down to earth and approachable. Level up. Level up means to improve yourself or move to the next stage. She decided to level up her career by taking a new course. It's time to level up and start practicing English every day. Take a rain check. Take a rain check means to postpone or do something later. Sorry, I can't join dinner tonight, but can I take a rain check? He promised to take a rain check on the game and play next week. Throwback. Throwback means a memory or something from the past. Look at this old photo. It's such a throwback. That song is a total throwback to the 80s. You have now learned 15 modern English sayings with examples. Try to use one or two of them this week when you speak English. Which one is your favorite? Write it in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Ciao, my favorite blabonitos!